Casey Stoner, a former MotoGP racer, disclosed the primary factor that caused him to leave Honda 12 years ago. Stoner acknowledged that the reason he left Honda was that the Japanese automaker only paid attention to suggestions made by Marc Marquez. It is known that Stoner and Marquez are prepared to work together in the MotoGP in 2013 at Repsol Honda. But at just 27, the Australian guy unexpectedly declared his retirement. In actuality, Stoner had a very successful MotoGP career at the time. Former MotoGP rider Casey Stoner revealed the main reason he decided to leave Honda 12 years ago. Marquez is expected to be a mainstay in MotoGP, then promoted to the Premier class, until finally becoming Dani Pedrosa teammate. This is the main reason why I left Honda. I tried to warn them, telling them that if they continued to just follow Marc's progress, then only he is capable of driving that motorcycle, and accidents will happen often. Stoner said to the media at the time, Marquez won the MotoGP championship in his first year. The Spaniard won the title in 6 of his first 7 seasons in the Premier class. However, Honda had a hard time, and it was their bike's subpar performance that led Marquez to quit and move to Gresini Ducati. I didn't expect it, but I understood that he was gone. With all the additional components on the bike, it is very difficult to understand whether he or Honda did something wrong, said Stoner. Recently, Marquez took a vacation to Bali after visiting Japan, and said goodbye to the Honda team at the Honda Thanks Day event in Motegi. Marquez was eventually replaced by Luca Marini at Repsol Honda, after a lengthy search, where Miguel Oliveira, Maverick Vinales, and talented riders from Moto2 were also considered. Honda also lost Alex Rins, after only one season with satellite team LCR, where he won at the Circuit of the Americas, until later suffered a broken leg. Johan Zarco replaced Rins at LCR.